high rate of unemployment, especially youth unemployment. A very high ewo upper west akim any Adeiso ha. You see, Bible say, Obonsam pe jumama an idle hand. Enunti na ye hwe nim say, obi beba be ye adoye, obi beba be boayen, na we bie juma ama ye nkrofo ewo upper west akim ha. Fresh and dry ene factory eba ha around 2010. Na 2016 ena ye district chief executive Honorable Ohini Derrick Esufubekwe ono so ena ye former member of parliament. Ena mampene ana oti akondwa so that time no His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the current president. Ena omudi factory edibesi ha emaye. Anche ena NDC free abem. Inti abandada na obae no na ye hwe nim se umba bebie factory amaye. For the past 8 years, this factory has been left. Yen the issue we say we don't mind who the owner of the factory is. We just want the benefit that the factory will bring to the people and the citizens of Upper West Akim any Adeiso.
Because the better you share be come here bono no. Say factory na ba be see no. Na you te work room aye ni eduma here. In fact, I bet any headache am aye nyina. Ye share come here bono because we share Adeiso aye youth pa and youth no omo nye lazy. On pay eduma because market dey say eduma ni won nti no. We na eko struggle e market say be obenya kakra dey e be support fie. And aside that eduma market pa we hanom e farming. And also kotokun factory so what dey farmers no e nwura no ba be eduma no say oye dua be hia farmers no. And sometimes youth no be so concran e ko pay eduma sometimes ba say fin kra be farm bebre wa hanom e de kokko eduma e ha ya adin na e be stress en kan pay factory ma yan ka be was almost about 8 years near enye there more than 8 years kra enye eduma inte be stress as aban na bana almost omo ye omo dey some be boy na enye eduma no omo force no mo be factory ma because this has become a major problem e high Adeiso youth
say so oba Adeiso say Upper West Akim district the youth be wa say ya omo ni eduma bebe na echi moto na moto no so muchi a omo chere ni experience because of the demand nti na ma fa ni sana moye nti say be factory na me gidi say omo nya eduma ye na moto ndi abo mabusia na ma kasa mo ti nim na ni say ni say o say boss oba bebe factory na no ya chere nim so abaye amai na obi a bo atoni
Frank na yeah Fmr Adeiso Koimu. Let me say for about 8 years ni omo ebesi factory esi ha. No kwase me na ni je de ma nipa ni na. But we see factory ni wie ye hu ni say omo the machines ni ade abegu mu a say aka adwuma kakra bi a omo be ye wo ho na say factory no a start e operate. As a factory operate a beboa ma nipa dodo e wo krom ha. To be frank, krom ha say factory back bi pe na wa ha say. Enti nipa dodo e krom ha na factory back pe wa ha say ne de. Ha so district capital. Enti say otimu ni say nipa ne do so ha yie. Na factory back pe e na ye source of employment ama nipa no e ha adwen pa. Enti na ye na ni jesem say o mesi ade we be ma nipa bebre no anya adwuma. Nenso ya hwe animu abesi